I'd like to share something that I feel is very important for me, and is a response to what I have been hearing, and is a demand or a request for the European community, and has to do about this demand that it has to be very clear from the European Union that they know that culture is important as a motion of sustainable development for economics, politics, social, human development. And when I heard yesterday the method of approaching the individuals, of asking, are you curious about the other? Do you want to know the other? For me, as I hear it, there is a mistake about this. Because the first question is inside the members of the individuals that, because we are talking about individuals, is from inside the people that do these politics, are they interested to know the other? That is the first question for curiosity for me. Because we are always trying to know if the other wants to know us, but are we interested to know the other? And this is a very important political affirmation today. And it has to do with the arts and contemporary arts, and about curiosity and about multi-language, because we are talking about a small level, about interpersonal, intercultural dialogues, about the relation with one person with the other person. And the contemporary arts do this research. This approach, this investment on proximity. And this investment in proximity that is opposite of this quantification of the economical market of the arts gives us a very important social, political and cultural development. And this has to be very clear, because if we continue to hear that culture is something very vague, that is inside the important aspects of the European, but there is no clear manifest in this direction, and if what happens is an artificial construction of a reality that wants to construct a way of intercultural form of dialogue, we are still in the market, in the artificial way of living, and this has no result, because we need really to go to the essential values of life, and we have a crisis in value, and this crisis in value has to be dealt in a more personal, minimal, person-to-person relation level. This is